happiness you've been searching for isn't out there. You've been looking for it in achievements, in other people, in scrolling, in food, and maybe even a cheeky glass of wine or a bottle. And maybe for a moment it worked. But the feeling never lasted, did it? That emptiness always comes back. Here's what I've learned as a clinical practitioner and on my own well-being journey. Unshakable peace isn't something you find when life gets easy. It's the home you build for yourself inside that you can always return to no matter what the storm is outside. And I'll be really honest with you, this isn't just theory for me. I'm navigating one of the hardest periods of my life. And the practices in this gut feeling series, well, I'm doing them every day. Literally every time I get triggered by a wave of sadness or some anger or a tight grip in my chest. Why? Because it works. It creates a softness where there was hardness. And it stops me from reaching for an unhealthy habit that would otherwise make me feel worse later on. And it helps me feel the feeling, move through it, and find my footing so much faster. Hi everyone, I'm Leilani. I'm a clinical health practitioner. I'm obsessed with helping people heal from the inside out, starting with their gut and the gut feeling you have. My channel is all about simplified science-backed nutrition and lifestyle strategies to transform your health in just a few minutes a day. And welcome to the session 4 of my gut feeling series. This is a workshop series guiding you to strengthen your physical, emotional, and mental health. Today, I'll be guiding you through a profound inner child exercise to add to your toolbox for when you need it most, and to reclaim the most important relationship you will ever have, the one with yourself. So if you're ready to learn the tools that can literally help you get through life when it gets hard, which is most days, at least for me at the moment. So this might be the most important 15 minutes of your week to learn and do the exercises that have the power to transform your pain into peace. All right, but I got a question for you. I'm curious, what's the one thing you typically reach for to numb or distract yourself when things get hard? Share it in the comments if you're game. Please, no judgment comments here. We're all on our own health journey, and sharing is one of the best ways we can get through it. So this work is so powerful because your thoughts, your words, your energy directly impact your gut and your nervous system. It's in the way that you treat yourself, in the way that you talk to yourself. Do you criticize? Do you shrink down? Or do you show up with kindness and softness? When you beat yourself up, your body hears danger and pumps out stress hormones. But when you nurture yourself, your body hears safe, and your mind and your body can finally rest, digest, and start to heal. Your gut and your brain are in constant conversation. So yes, the self-talk literally shapes your mood, your digestion, and your energy levels. This is the emotional, physical, and mental health all rolled into one. Now, I suggest starting at the very beginning of this series to really get the full picture. Each session peels back different layers of well-being. But don't worry, today's exercise is beautiful just on its own. It's a deep dive that can genuinely shift something inside you. I'll pop the welcome card here so you can head there first if you like. Okay, let's begin the practice. I want you to find a quiet place, and you won't need anything today, just your open mind and a willingness to try something new and allow whatever comes up for you. There is no right or wrong with this exercise. The important thing is just to show up and do it. So put your phone on Do Not Disturb for a few minutes, because this is about prioritizing yourself. No one else matters for the next few minutes but you. Okay, let's start by calming your nervous system. We're going to use a simple but effective humming exercise to activate your vagus nerve, your body's super highway to calm. So get comfortable, close your eyes if it's safe to do so. Place a hand on your chest Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to hum it out. And let's do that again. Deep breath in. One more time. Now, do you feel that? That vibration in your chest and your throat is literally shaking the stress out of your body. And it's telling you you are safe now. So let's move on to the visualization. Keep your eyes closed. And I want you to picture yourself as a child. It doesn't have to be a specific memory. Just see your younger self in a moment of sadness, loneliness, or fear. See their face, notice their posture. What might they be feeling? Now in your mind, walk over and sit next to them. Your adult self, with all your wisdom and compassion, sitting beside this beautiful, vulnerable child that is you. Gently ask them, what do you need right now? Just listen without judgment. Maybe it's a hug. Maybe it's to hear it's not your fault. Maybe they just need you to sit with them so they're not alone. Now go ahead and give them exactly what they asked. Let yourself cry if you need to. It's very welcome here. Open your arms and give them a great, big, warm, safe hug. Feel their small body relax into yours. Feel their relief that someone came to support them. And now whisper to them. I want you to say it with me in your mind. I am here with you. I am proud of you. And I love you no matter what. Now see a golden protective light around you both. Just breathe and feel that love flowing from you to them and then back to you. Because that child inside you is still there. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and a long sigh out. Okay, welcome back. I know that can be a very new experience for some of you, and it might feel really strange at first. That's okay. Growth often does. Now, I highly recommend you commit to the homework because each time you practice strengthening this muscle of self-love and inner peace and happiness, and when those inevitable lows come, because they will, this is the wonderful challenging ride of being human, you'll be more grounded, more resilient, and more able to move through them without getting stuck. So be gentle with yourself. Keep showing up, and remember, even the smallest shifts create a ripple effect in your health, your mind, and in your gut. You're doing the work that matters most, learning to love yourself from the inside out. Let me know in the comments what came up for you. It's beautiful and powerful to share this vulnerable side with each other. What did your inner child need to hear today? And let's create a supportive, judgment-free zone down there, okay? Now for your homework. The thing that will change everything is this. Every single time you catch yourself saying something negative about yourself, I want you to pause, put your hand on your heart, feel it beat, and say, I love you no matter what. And just for a second, picture your inner child giving you a hug. That's it, that's the practice. This practice is like push-ups. You don't build strength by just doing it once. But with small, steady reps, you can rewire your brain, calm your nervous system, and give your gut the safety it needs to start healing. This series is designed to give you the tools layer by layer. But if you watch this and felt a deep yes, and you're ready to stop navigating this alone, and you want to fast track this transformation with dedicated guidance and a small supportive group, then my upcoming coaching group is made for you. The spots will be very limited, and to get the notification when the moment the doors open, subscribe to my Gut Love email list. I'll put the links in the description below. Because here's the truth, peace doesn't come when life gets easier. It comes when you stop abandoning yourself. Every time you choose self-love over self-criticism, you're building your inner home. So practice this. Try it every day, especially when you're triggered, because that's when it counts the most. Thank you for giving yourself this gift. Thank you for being with me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Trust your gut.